Welcome to Indie Journal's election coverage. We are again in Kerala. We are in the Thrissur constituency, which is called the most highly contested constituency of this election in Kerala, because the BJP, the Congress and the CPI are all having equally strong candidates according to some analysts, and we are with the CPI candidate on his campaign trail. We'll have a chat with him. What do you think is the most important factor in this election?
We are fighting for secularism and democracy. BJP government is fascist government. Actually, this is a fascist government. They are trying to divide the people. They are aiming spoil democracy and secularism in the country. So we are campaigning against BJP and RSS. They are dangerous for our country. So people must be vigilant to protect our democracy and secularism in the country. So people will not vote for BJP in Kerala. They will not get a single seat from Kerala.
But then again, when you say secularism and democracy, the Congress is also claiming the same thing, that they are also
people know Congress is not that much reliable political force in India. They are standing Citizen Amendment Acts. What is the stand on CAA? Congress is not, there is no stable stand on CAA. They are fluctuating their stance. Political force in India. You know that. But left is very strong and they are committed for secularism and democracy. They know very well about what is democracy is doing, what is the stand of Congress and what they are doing. People will understand the differentiate between Congress and LDF.
right. But the Congress is also a friend, ally party in the India.
That is quite natural. Because the number with BJP and Congress is not same, but they are also a part of India friend. But it is not a friend like a left-wing friend in India. It is only a platform against BJP and RSS political stand in India. So this is only a platform. India is only a platform. So CPI and CPM is also the part of India. At the same time, we are fighting against in West Bengal. What is in West Bengal? You can see West Bengal in Bengali. West Bengal is also Trinamool Congress and okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. So people can understand that.
Okay.
The different parties, the situation, the national level politics, what is situation, the state level politics, what is going to happen after the election. When the first in UPA government, left and UDF was fight each other. I mean, it was LDF was fight against UDF. UDF was fight against LDF that time. And after the election, with the minimum program, we formed a government in India. It's not the first time in India. So the people know the situation all over India is a different situation of each and every state. So people can understand.
So it's a strategic alliance.
A strategic alliance. There is an aim to protect secularism and democracy.
You are the agriculture minister for the what agricultural issue
see as agriculture minister, what agricultural issues did you see? Get to know about in Kerala's context. Kerala context is very different from other states. Right? Kerala context, we are trying to protect the farmers in Kerala. Our last 8 years, 5 years I was minister, but now I am not minister. You were, I was minister up to 21. That time we try to protect our farmers in Kerala, and all over India there was hundreds of farmers are suicided, but a single farmer was not suicided in Kerala because we are giving protection to the farmers. We formed a Farmer Welfare Act in Kerala. That was first time in India. So there are so many projects to protect farmers in Kerala. It is not like central government. They are making laws against farmers. They are not protecting farmers. They are protecting corporates. They are trying to sell the agricultural sector also to the corporates. In your constituency, what is the most important issue according to you? There are so many issues in our constituency. Development of railway stations, especially our Trichy railway station and Iringalakuda railway station, Pudukar railway station, development of railway station, and development of traffic system. And there are so many tourism issues in our country, in our constituency. It is a very there is a very big international events are here. For example, Thrissur Puram is here, and world famous festivals are here. It is a Pulikali. It's a very famous old festival. We are celebrating Pulikali here. These festivals are very famous. And propagating to propagate so many tourism developmental issues are here. Here there is a very famous agricultural land below sea level. Ramsar site is here. That is known as coal lands. It is where cultivating rice here, paddy. It is a very important ecological system. Same time, it is a very important agricultural sector also. So, central government has taken. As an MP, I have so many ideas to develop my constituency because I was MLA in two constituency assembly segments in this parliament segment. So I know very well about the nook and corner of the constituencies and what is the issues of constituency. Then I will sort out and discuss with the people. Relevant issues we will discuss with all the peoples and political parties, and we will sort out the issues and we will take up before central government and we will try to solve the problems of the constituencies. This time the BJP is claiming that they have a strong candidate against you. Definitely, I am not understating any candidates. All candidates are, I respect all candidates in all political parties. Because I am not underestimating any candidate. All my political rivalries are I am respecting. So there is no problem for it. I will stand for my political But are you confident in your victory? Definitely I am very confident about my victory. So thank you. Best of luck for your campaign. Thank you for
We just spoke to Mr. V.S. Sunil Kumar, who is the CPI candidate from Thrissur. And as we saw, he seems to be popular here, but there are an equal number of supporters of other parties as well, other candidates. There is a lot of fanfare going on around, and it said most experts believe, or most commentators believe, that this is going to be the most highly contested seat in the whole Lok Sabha campaign of Kerala. And we'll go to another constituency soon. We'll cover other constituencies in Kerala as well, as much as possible. This is possible thanks to the donations and the support given by viewers like you. Indie Journal is an independent platform. Subscribe to it, like this video, share it, comment your feedback on it, and do support us so that we can get you more and more such coverage. And keep watching Indie Journal. आपण नुकतंच त्रिशूर मधल्या भारतीय कम्युनिस्ट पक्ष म्हणजे भाकपच्या सुनील कुमार यांची मुलाखत घेतली. तर त्या मुलाखतीमध्ये सुनील कुमार एकतर मागच्या LDF गव्हर्नमेंटच्या कार्यकाळात ते कृषी मंत्री होते राज्याचे, आणि त्या दरम्यान त्यांना आलेले अनुभव, त्यांच्यावरती काही आरोपसुद्धा झाले होते. त्यानंतर त्यांचं जे इथलं स्टँडिंग आहे ते कुठंतरी हादरा बसलं आहे का असा अनेकांचा कयास आहे. आणि त्यात असं झालं आहे की इथं काँग्रेसनं एक मजबूत कॅन्डिडेट दिलेला आहे. मुरलीधरन नावाचे जे आहेत ते त्यांचे वडील मोठे नेते होते काँग्रेसचे, करुणाकरन, केरळ काँग्रेसचे. आणि त्यामुळं आता त्यांच्या एंट्रीमुळं ही इथली त्रिशूरची लढत तिरंगी झालेली आहे असं म्हटलं जातं आहे. कारण भाजपने सुद्धा गोपी सुरेश हे जे अभिनेते आहेत, प्रसिद्ध मल्याळम अभिनेते आहेत, चित्रपट अभिनेते आहेत, त्यांना उमेदवारी दिलेली आहे. आणि असं म्हटलं जातं आहे की ही तिरंगी लढत फारच जोराची होणार आहे. आणि त्यामुळे आपण त्यांना जेव्हा विचारलं की तुम्हाला जिंकण्याची किती शाश्वती वाटते, तर त्यांनी म्हटलं की त्यांना पूर्ण कॉन्फिडन्स आहे, त्यांना दुसऱ्या कॅन्डिडेट्सच्या शक्तीबद्दल काही संदेह नाही, त्याच्याबद्दल काही त्यांना शंका नाही, मात्र त्यांना स्वतःच्या जिंकण्याची पूर्ण अपेक्षा आहे. आणि त्यांनी असं सांगितलं की सेक्युलरिझम आणि म्हणजे धर्मनिरपेक्षता हाच प्रमुख मुद्दा असणार आहे इथं त्यांच्या कॅम्पेनचा, आणि संविधानाची रक्षा. तर त्याबद्दल जेव्हा काँग्रेस पक्षाचा जो त्यामधली भूमिका आहे त्याच्याबद्दल त्यांना विचारलं असता ते म्हणाले की काँग्रेस पक्ष जरी आमचा मित्रपक्ष असला इंडिया आघाडीमध्ये, तरी तो सक्षम नाही हे सगळं करण्यामध्ये, ते फक्त कम्युनिस्ट पक्षच करू शकतात असं त्यांचं मत होतं. आणि ते बोलून आपण ही रॅली जी आहे त्यांची कव्हर केलेली आहे. इंडी जर्नल तुमच्या मदतीनं हे सगळं कव्हरेज करत आहे, तर मदत करायला विसरू नका. या व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि पाहत राहा इंडी जर्नल.